A couple days ago, Xiaomi revealed its new smartband series and they are made awesome. I just love smartband series and this 10 series is made perfect for me. They put some awesome features that I have been waiting for and now it came. Then I started recording immediately. I haven't read any scripts for this video, sorry for that, because it's urgent. But after a couple of days or time, I will use this band and tell you my experiences about this band, pros and cons, and what should you want from this band, etc. So what I mean is I will take another video about a detailed review. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's start unboxing anymore. As you can see, the box has plenty of features and gadgets in it, so thanks to Xiaomi. You know what I mean. I don't want to give a specific names, but you understood me. Okay, so I want to tell you some basic features and then, as I said, I will take another video about a detailed review. Finally, this smartband has asymmetrical bezels. I have been waiting for this feature like 3 years. I don't like the thick bezel at the bottom. I literally hate this feature and I assumed that they fixed this issue in the smartband 8, but they didn't. And then they didn't fix it in smartband 9. I love this feature. 10th generation has asymmetrical bezels and also this band is made from ceramic, so it looks literally premium. This band contains Bluetooth 5.4, so it's the latest version of Bluetooth. This is a good feature too. Also, its screen size is 1.72 and high resolution screen. I like the screen very much and it's 60 Hz, so it's very fluent when you use it compared to smartband 7, because when I used it, my eyes were getting tired because of the 30 Hz, but this screen is 60 Hz, so thanks to Xiaomi again. And also its screen brightness is 1500 nits. As you can see, it's very bright. And at the bottom we can see all the same sensors that we have seen in the smartband 8. And finally, this band's battery size is 230. It's actually very big for a smartband and you can use this band for 3 days hypothetically, but I will test it later and tell you if it's same with Mi Band 7. Okay, after its revealing, there was a quite quick video about Mi Band 10, but I will shoot another video about the detailed review after my experiences, so as I said, stay tuned for that. Stop it! I know you all like my sound quality. So guys, as you can see, I renewed my microphone. Now I'm shooting my videos with a lavalier microphone and I quite like it, but it would be good that you also use this microphone in your videos if you want a high quality sounds. So don't forget to subscribe my channel because I will upload another video about this microphone and its unboxing, and I don't want you to lose it from there. Subscribe my channel for this microphone review. Yeah, don't forget to like and leave a comment down below if there is a product that you would like to have reviewed. We came to end and you should definitely subscribe my channel now. There are some super videos are coming right now. I think you shouldn't want to lose this opportunity for increasing your YouTube videos quality and life, because as I said, my name is Barış and I am trying to give you some high quality products that make your life easier. Go, close this video and watch my another videos. Yeah. Okay, I know you are still here, but I will take the initiative.